Hello everyone, it's Kari, and today I have a really quick unboxing video. This is from Crafty Stamp Company and it is the Crafty Crew Kit for July. I just love how they package up their kits because this one has my name on it. They print these stickers with your name. I think they do it to everyone. They're personalized. It's really cool. So let me unbox this and show you, well, I already took it out of the box, but let me show you what comes in the kit. So you get this really nice bag, a zipper pouch that it all comes in, and I love that they package it up so nicely. Here's their information. And let me show you what comes in this kit. This month it's a summery camping theme and I love it. It comes with a lot of things. So I'll pull all of this out of here and show you everything. And I should mention this is a pre-order kit. So you can pre-order within the time frame of the ordering and it will come out in July. So this is available June 1st through the 15th, I believe. I will put all the information in the video description for you. And look at this cute shaker mix you get. It's got marshmallows, it's got lots of cute little cookies, images. Oh wait, I think I see something in here. I've got to show you this. It's like a little flame, little fire. So cute. So I love that shaker mix. Of course, I'm gonna have to make a shaker card with this kit for sure. And then it also has a couple of stamp sets. There is a QR code that you can scan so that you can see a lot of the projects and inspiration with this kit, which is really, really nice. And I love this one. This is Camping Meadow, and there's lots of stamp and sentiments like stars make the best night lights and I love you s'more. Then this one here is Camping Critters, and look at all these cute little guys. There's a fox, a raccoon, a bunny, a little bear in his tent, a hedgehog, and then the sentiments say s'more campers means s'more fun, and what happens around the campfire gets laughed at all year. I think that's so cute. Now let's take a look at the paper pack that comes in this kit. Lots of beautiful, bright, summery colors. And I love that you also get an envelope to put it in after you've opened it and you're cutting up this paper. You can keep it all secure in that little envelope there. There's 24 sheets and it is double-sided, and I should say this is thicker than paper. It is cardstock. It's nice and thick and it's really great for die cutting and creating your card panels. So let me show you all the different colors there are. There's trees and a green plaid, a green polka dot. This one here has trees and a backpack and a camping roll, and look at that zigzag on the back. I love that blue. It also has some red plaid, which is beautiful, and there are also some more camping images on the back of this one. Lots to choose from. We've got this one with the backpacks. I do love a sign that's posted that tells you where everything is, and there's a little campfire, and then this yellow chevron type design. So cute and beautiful. I love all this paper. I think it's going to be really fun to mix and match and create some cards with that. And then the other thing you get in this kit is a stencil, and this stencil that comes with it is a Starry Night stencil. It's so beautiful. I love the little different shapes of the stars. This stencil is called Night Sky, and it is a good one. So I'll be using that for sure. So here's a look at all of the products that come in the kit and the really great mesh zipper pouch that you can keep it all in to keep it together. Ordering starts June 1st and ends on June 15th. So if you're interested, head on over to my link below and take a look. And I'll be back with more projects to share real soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.